Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Tuesday, May 6th, 2025. As I always say guys, it's a new day filled with new opportunities. We're here to capitalize on these opportunities, not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process. And we're going to make sure we're patient, disciplined, we execute to the best of our abilities today. So let's take a look at the charts, see what levels we might see and any trades we might take. Okay guys, so here we are on the charts. As you guys know, ES hourly on the left, NQ hourly on the right. Mark out the session low. That was just created a couple minutes ago. Session low here, session high all the way up here. 50% retracement is this orange dashed line you guys see in the middle of the chart. ES, same thing, right? Mark out session low, session high all the way up here. 50% retracement on the daily. It's right here, the orange dashed line you guys see on the chart. Any pivots you guys might see. Here you guys have one. Here's another on ES. These are also, some of these are also, I think this one's London high, Asia high, similar to NQ, London high, or Asia high, London high, and session high all the way up here. Zoom in onto the, or what I am interested today would be a pullback back to this 50% level, because you see this pivot here and the 50% level, again, double confluence, which is A+ setup for me. If we get a sweep above that and a possible continuation lower, that would be an A+ setup. Price was moving up there a little bit ago, but currently it's, you guys see these couple candles that are selling off again. So it's going to be a waiting game here. If price continues lower, I guess we'll have to wait for a couple of these levels to be tapped into. We have, I think this is Friday's low. Friday's low all the way down here. ES has them from Friday as well, all the way down here on ES, that we're looking for price to tap into and possibly give a bounce and a rejection off of that and a continuation on a move up. So we'll just be patient, guys. Super patient, super disciplined. You guys know we're only doing one trade a day for the month of May, and no need to be forcing anything. We don't want to be in subpar setups. There's all day to trade, guys. No need to force anything or revenge trade or get mad, go on tilt. I'm really liking this one trade a day thing. It kind of removes all the stress for me for the day, and I'm in it. It wins or it loses, and then I'm done, right? So we'll wait it out. If price comes up here, I'll let you guys know. If price comes all the way down here, I will also let you guys know, and any trades we might take once, or any setups that might present themselves. So I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you guys here shortly. Okay, guys, so we are in on that long there. I'll go ahead and explain this one. Let me just adjust my targets and stop losses and all that. Okay, guys, so as I mentioned earlier, when we did our morning analysis, you guys saw I called this level out here on NQ. This was Friday's or Thursday's low, session low. Price came down here, tapped into it pretty strong, so price sold off pretty decently there. Price came down here, tapped into it. First move, came back, tapped into this 2-minute gap. Sold off again, created a new gap down right here, 5.5 points. Not the biggest gap in the world, but it was another gap. And price, this candle, this bullish strong candle, showed me that buyers are in the market. Price might want to flip, and potential long is coming in. So once I got that entry, or once I got that trigger close above this gap, again, that is my entry trigger. That is my signal telling me to get in on the trade. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I need to execute once I get the trade presented to myself, and that is what I did. So right now we are in this trade, we are in this long. Again, guys, we do not control outcome or whatever happens with the trade once I'm in the trade. We're just along for the ride now, right? So we'll just stay here. I'll keep you guys updated here in a couple minutes. Currently 7:04. No news, no major news coming out that I saw, that I've noticed. So we're just gonna be here waiting along, all right? So I'll update you guys here in a bit, and I'll let you guys know how it's working out. Okay, guys, here we are on the charts, as you guys see here. Price ended up working in my favor there. Wasn't able to, for a full +2R, wasn't able to do like a little recap for you guys or while I was in the trade. I don't look at the charts while I was in it. All I heard was the order filled, 10 minutes. I was about to do a little recap for you guys and tell you guys how my emotions were being. But again, I wasn't looking at the charts, and it just took me out. Pretty quick trade, actually. So there you guys have it. Currently 7:46, and I am done trading for the day. An hour and 15 minutes after market open. Not going to be looking to take any trades anymore. As you guys know, I'm doing one and done for the month of May, and we're going to see how that equity curve plays out towards the end of the month. So that is it for today. Price continuing a little bit higher. Whatever, we could do whatever it wants now that it took me out, and now we'll just hanging out. I'll show you guys the Apex accounts. Apex accounts today are showing plus $500. So for all accounts, I've decided to, since we're only doing one trade a day for the month of May, I've decided to risk $250 per trade, so an extra $50 per trade. So on the losing days, you guys will see minus $250. On the winning days, you guys will see somewhere around $500. So that's what you guys see today. Drawdown on these accounts is all at the highs. All accounts above $1,000, which is pretty good in profit. Here you guys will see the executions for the day. 1 trade today, 1 winner, 0 losers, plus $500. And here's the executions, 9 minutes, 23 seconds in the trade. Here are the entries, here are the exits, so pretty good. My funded futures, plus $500, you guys see here. Draw down these accounts at the highs again. All 3 accounts are eligible again for the max payout, $1,200. I could withdraw from all 3 of these accounts. Again, we're not going to do that because we're looking to grow these accounts. Last time I did that, I took an account in April, or a payout in April, and 2 days later we went on a 3 trade losing streak, and the accounts were gone. So don't want to do that again. We're going to look to grow these accounts and continue to take payouts long term. Here you guys see the Tradeify accounts, all accounts except for this one, above $1,000, but basically it is at $1,000, so pretty decent there. Overall, pretty decent day. I did not let the emotions of yesterday's loss get the best of me today. I called out my levels. I was patient. I was disciplined. I waited for that level to be tapped into, waited for a setup to present itself. And once the setup presented itself, I made sure to execute, right? That's all we can do in trading, guys. You don't control the outcome as much as you think you do, as much as you want to backtest and believe that the more you backtest, the more you can control your outcome. You simply can't. Every trade is a random outcome. And as soon as you start to believe that, the better it will be for your mental and your P&L as well, because you won't be forcing trades. You won't be trying to revenge trade, going on tilt, trying to make your money back, and have that negative effect to your P&L. So currently 7:48 in the morning, pretty decent morning. Got my winner. I'm out of here. Took my 1 trade a day for the month of May, and we're going to move on. So that's it for me, guys. I appreciate you guys. If you guys made it in the video, if you guys want to see how this month plays out at the end, only doing 1 trade a day for the month of May. And if you guys want to see the results here in a couple weeks, stay tuned. Make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button if you guys made it at the end. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good one. Peace.